Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm performing a lot of inspections on this 2007 Toyota Rav4, and one of them better be, right, the automatic transmission fluid. This is really important because if it's not done it can damage the transmission and the replacement will be really expensive. Fortunately, on this 07 Rav4, we don't have a seal transmission, but it's a normal tranny with the dipstick. And the dipstick is really conveniently located right here. So checking that fluid should be very easy for us. When you are performing this check, I will definitely recommend you to have a clean shop towel, because it will really greatly help you to improve observing quality of the fluid, right? And that's what we are doing here. We should be checking quantity, right, when the engine is running and it's hot. But right now let's check the quality. And that's why I need that clean towel, because I want to wipe it in and see what kind of residue it's being left. And this fluid, it's a ATF, Toyota ATF WS, which means world standard, right? It could be, sometimes it's even written on the dipstick. Actually it will be right here, you don't have to remember it. They put this nice little sticker on it, right? So it shows you or tells you which fluid belongs in it. It's right here. This fluid should be, when it's brand new, right? I'm cleaning all of this. This is actually not good, right? The dust and dirt find a way here, despite the fact there is that O-ring here, right here. It's pretty dirty, but that fluid which I pulled out should be nice, clear and red. And unfortunately it's not. It wasn't done. I can show you also, you can use your fingers and put it through. Look how dark it is. The fluid is really dark. If I sucked some sample out using my vacuum pump and put it in the clear jar, you will see it's almost black, right? Here when it's super thin, it's not so easy to see it, but in the larger quantity, in the clear jar, it will be almost black. So this definitely, this fluid, it's way past. This vehicle has 206,000 miles, it's running really nicely, but if it was me, if I bought this Rav4 today, that will be one of my first things, because the transmission replacement could be up to $7,000, right? You don't want to deal with that. You want to definitely prevent that from happening. If you want to check the quantity of the fluid, you will be ideally doing after you will drive. You will park it on the leveled surface. And when the engine is hot, transmission fluid is hot, obviously, you will pull this dipstick, right? You will wipe it off, reinsert it again, take the measurement, and basically, when it's hot, you see the notches. Hopefully, me stepping towards it will help zoom, focus on it. So these are notches. These two notches are for the hot fluid and this is for cold. I don't recommend using it when it's cold. It's not so precise. So when you kept driving for a while on the level, engine running, the level should be between these two notches. And that's for the quantity of the fluid. That's where you need to be. If it's over, you should drain it. If it's below, you should add on. But again, don't just put something generic in it. This one really needs ATF from Toyota. It's a WS. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumb up and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more about Toyotas coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.